Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. We've got something delicious cooking in the kitchen today. So I need you guys to sit back, relax while I get everything ready. And in the meantime, you know what I need you to do? That's right, hit that subscribe button. And just so you know, you can find a lot of these recipes in my cookbook entitled Lavonne's Kitchen, Learning to Cook with Love. www.lavonneskitchen.com. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye!